What's going on? Welcome back to another tutorial video, and I got this question a lot on how to mix 2K clear. What is my mix ratio? So I'm using automotive paint such as Finish 1. This works for any type of automotive 2K clear that you are using. So right here on my box says 2:1. So what I'm mixing is obviously clear. This kit comes with hardener, and of course I'm using reducer because this clear the automotive 2K clear is kind of thick for airbrush, so we're using reducer. So the 4:1 is there is a top mark, very top mark of your eyedropper. You do want to use an eyedropper for this, and we're going to fill up the eyedropper 4 times with 2K clear, which is the clear part. We're using 4:1. So 4 part clear, 1 part hardener, and 1 part reducer. Okay, onto the hardener. As you see, very top line right here on the eyedropper, we're going to put up to the tippy top 1 part of this, which is hardener. And of course, 1 part reducer. Again, fill up the eyedropper up to the tippy top on reducer, put that in your clear coat mix, and it'll fin it, and of course mix it up thoroughly. Reducer, it just thins down the clear coat a little bit nicer for airbrush, because it is kind of thick for airbrush, because this clear coat is actually meant for a big air gun, which does work amazing without reducer. But since we're using a much smaller airbrush, of course we want reducer to thin it for our scale models. Then make sure you mix the clear coat nicely, and then you're ready to spray. As you see, the clear coat works amazing. So again, this works for any type of automotive 2K clear you're using. Finish 1, it don't matter. It depends what you're using. Again, it uses all the same method. Some clear coats prefer 3:1, 4:1. It don't matter. This is what I use. So 4 part clear, 1 part hardener, and 1 part reducer. Again, it just the way I mix it is I just fill up the eyedropper up to a tippy top on a 0.3 millimeter mark on the eyedropper, which is what my particular ones have. But fill it up 4 times for the clear. Again, 1 time for the hardener and 1 time for the reducer, and you're good to go. And this is my mix for 2K clear. I just got this question a lot, and I figured let's just make a separate video on it. And yeah, it works amazing. So, but that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you. And let me know if anything more comments in the comment section. But until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.